Hello all. In the previous two classes, I have discussed about installing the VirtualBox and then installing the Ubuntu file, which is required to use in the VirtualBox for the Linux environment. So I told you guys to install both the files. So after installing both the files, you need to remember a thing. Okay, to run the open source tools of VLSI, it requires a huge amount of storage, nearly 200 GB. It is going to get required. So for that, my particular D drive has 226 GB free out of 292 GB. Okay, like this you need to partition your disk. Okay, so already the disk is partitioned, and having 200 GB of free space, then only you should do this process. If you didn't have 200 GB of um, free space, I don't recommend you guys to run this. It will affect your system. Okay, so that if it is having only 200 GBs free space, maximum of 200 GB free space, then only you need to run those tools. So, and also I need to discuss the thing that I am I have arranged my softwares like this. Okay, in the D I have created a folder called softwares, and then I have used VirtualBox. This is the file that we have downloaded in the previous class. Also, I have used the Linux Ubuntu. This is the another file. Okay, it's not the first one is not the file. The second one is the file which is this 5.9 GB. That is overall 6 GB file that I asked you guys to download in the previous class. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to set up the VirtualBox. Okay, for that you what you need to do is you just click on this. After uh, copying and pasting the files that I told you to download in the previous classes into your respective desired location, which is having 200 GB of free space, then what you guys need to do is you need to click this particular VirtualBox application file which we have installed in the previous class, and run as administrator, and then give the permission as S. Okay, if any permission it is going to ask you, then give the S. Okay, it is going to install. Okay, and then click next. Okay, click next. After that what you need to do is, okay, after that what you need to do is I accept the terms in the license agreement. You need to click it. Click next, and then you need to browse location. Okay, here it is showing my location is C program files, Oracle, and VirtualBox. Okay, but my C drive is getting almost filled. Okay, I would like to use my D drive, so that I'm going to browse and then give the location which is required by me. You can use these two uh, icons over here to, this is for creating a new folder, and this is for going backward from current directory. Okay, so I would like to go to D drive, and then I would like to go to softwares, and I then would would like to go to VirtualBox, and I would like to create a folder, another folder, that is VirtualBox here itself. So that I am going to use the make a folder option, which is over here. You can see the hyperlink, that is create a new folder. It is going to show right icon, and I'm going to place my mouse to that icon. Okay, I am going to create a folder again, that is VirtualBox, and clicking it, and then clicking the OK, and just give next. After selecting the required information or the location, you should just click the next. And sometimes you will get an error while installing the VirtualBox, so that you need to rectify that those errors. Errors like file directories doesn't exist, and like this there will be some warning. Okay, warning network interfaces, like this there might be some of the informations you can see. So you just click the X, yes. Okay, and then yes, and then I would like to Okay, VirtualBox installation might give you an error. Okay, while installing, you need to see what type of error that you are going to get, and you need to resolve it by your own self. Okay, why? Because it is not going to show the same error for everyone. Okay, it is going to show the same error for everyone. Then I would tell you, but it is going to show some different errors for different systems. Okay, you need to rectify all those, and then you need to install the VirtualBox by your own self. Okay, and then I am now going to install the VirtualBox. Okay, it is going to take some time. Okay, after that I need to restart it. Okay, then only the changes will applicable. Okay, actually what we are going to do is, we are going to make a virtual machine, which is a virtual computer. Okay, we are going to use some part of our RAM and then ROM to make the uh, another personal computer. Okay, another personal computer with the help of the these VirtualBox and then Ubuntu. Okay, we are going to use the OSS Linux, so that we have installed the Ubuntu Linux. We are going to run those Linux in VirtualBox, so that we are going to use the VirtualBox. Okay, so you need to have a clarity what we are going to do. So we are going to run the virtual mission in the Ubuntu VirtualBox with the help of Ubuntu Linux OS. Okay, we are going to run the tools in the VirtualBox. Okay, so you can see I have installed the VirtualBox. You can see the icon over here, icon of the VirtualBox. VirtualBox got installed. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss you guys to how to add the file, that is Ubuntu Linux, into the VirtualBox, and how to run our tools. Okay, thank you.